Folks, this is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. Sometimes we are in situations where, with an employer, we've either been there too long or, we've outgrown the environment. I know I have been in those situations personally where being there feels like somebody is about to choke you. So the topic of our discussion today is going to be go where you're celebrated, not tolerated. And then sometimes in the areas of careers that happens in certain situations. And I want you to know that if you have your career tools ready, if you have your portfolio up to date, your resume, your cover letter, letters of recommendation, your thank you letters, your let me have an update on, things of that nature. You have pieces of your career tools ready to go. Then it's time to put them to use. And if you want to go where you're celebrated and not tolerated, and you don't have all of your stuff either updated or done, then it's time to get those done. If you're looking for help in that area, if you want your resume to be completely redone, or you're looking for your resume to be created, and you can check out my resources at mentorshelley.com/resume-services. Now, if you're just looking for it to be reviewed, then I do have a review service where you can send them to, which is mentorshelley.com/tools-review. That's to review resumes, cover letters, and other parts of your portfolio. But at the end of the day, sometimes people take what you have for granted, and you need to let them know that you don't have to put up with their madness, and it is time for you to go. So you don't make a big announcement about it. Of course, in the professional world, what you do is on your nights and weekends, you're applying to other places like crazy, and if you have PTO, save those days. And if necessary, take those PTO days for such things as interviews once you get to that point. And of course, I also have a resource to prepare for those as well. You can go to mentorshelley.com/services/interview-help. That's an audio series that will give you 7 steps to prepare for that interview so you can truly handle that interview like a boss. So I want you to be aware that, listen, I've been in that situation before where I'm at the employer, have all of this wonderful talent, and I'm giving my talent, and it is received with criticism. It's received with almost condemnation. And I found out later that it was met with that because of the way I looked. Unfortunately, that's just some employers in this day and time. And that's just something, we have to understand that so there's some things that people are ignorant, and there's sometimes people choose to be ignorant. So keep in mind, go where you're celebrated and not tolerated. Because if you're tolerated, it's only a matter of time before you'll find your way, and that you'll be making that exit voluntarily or involuntarily. So don't wait for them to do it. You do it. So have your tools ready. If you're wanting to completely redo your resume or create your resume if you don't have one, go to mentorshelley.com/resume-services, where I will completely redo or create a resume for you. Of course, depending on the career track that you're on. And of course, if you have other tools that you just want me to review and give you a proofread version of it, then you can definitely go to mentorshelley.com/services/tools-review. You can review different parts of your career tools. Career tools, when you hear me say that, I want you to remind you, career tools are your resume, your cover letter, letters of recommendation from other employers, or from people in professional settings or volunteer settings that you've worked with, so they have experience on how your work ethic is. Alright guys, take care. This is Mentor Shelly, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally and be in a career space where you're celebrated and not tolerated. Alright guys, take care. You have a good one.